I have seen fairest places, but dearer than all is a spot by the Rosses in old Donegal. Many years have now vanished since I went away, but my heart still remembers sweet Gweebarra Bay. I can see in my memory the scenes that I knew, where the white waves are sighing neath wee hills of blue. And I'm hoping someday that I'll come back to stay, and I'll never more leave you, sweet Gweebarra Bay. How I long for one breath of the sweet winds that blow round the wee winding hills around lovely Dunglow. Sure, I'd give all the world if tonight I could stray near the one I love best, my sweet Gweebarra Bay. I can see in my memory the scenes that I knew, where the white waves are sighing neath wee hills of blue. And I'm hoping someday that I'll come back to stay, and I'll never more leave you, sweet Gweebarra Bay.
And I'm hoping someday I can go back to stay,
and I'll never more leave you, sweet Gweebarra Bay.